Hey everybody, this is a short guide on how to configure your next PI planning, enabling your teams to use multiple Jira project support. We log in to the PI Planning app setup tool and navigate to the tab ALM configuration. If we don't yet have Jira configured with the PI Planning app, we need to do this first. I put a link to our documentation on how to do that in the description of this video. Otherwise, just click on Edit to edit this configuration. We jump directly to the point Team Mapping. Now here we need to map the teams we created in the PI Planning app to the Jira projects and Jira boards. So we map Team A to the Jira project called Multi-Project A and also to the Team A board. Because this team should be able to create issues in the PI Planning app for multiple Jira projects, we click on the button Add Project. Now we also map our Team A to Multi-Project B, but still Team A board. And add another project, Multi-Project C, and also Team A board. Next thing we need to do is to set a default field value for the field that is on the issue itself and differentiates the different teams. To do that, we need to activate the checkbox Show Advanced Settings. Now we make sure that this field gets filled out with our team name, which is Team A. I will also put this link to our documentation on how to find out the custom field ID in the description of this video. As soon as you are done with this, click Check and Save and navigate to Save PI Plannings in the menu. When going through the PI Planning session configuration, there is only one thing different now, and that's in step 7, Iterations. Here you need to map your PI Planning app iterations to the Jira sprints for each Jira project you mapped to the PI Planning app team. There are 3 drop-downs, but it will always be the same Jira sprint for all 3 projects. Now, from a planning point of view, when creating, for example, a new story in the first iteration on our team board, we need to select which Jira project it should be synced with. Let's create one for Multi-Project A and one for Multi-Project C. In Jira, in our Team A board, we can see that the 2 user stories got created. By the Jira issue key, we can tell that they are in different Jira projects. We can at any time change the Jira project by clicking on the Jira issue key on the sticky note and select another Jira project. Please be aware that the Jira issue will be deleted and a new issue will be created in the new Jira project. So if you already added some additional information to this issue in Jira, you will lose that information. And that's basically all you need to know about multiple Jira project support. If you have any questions about that, please drop us an email and we will help you configure it. Thank you very much for watching.